In the long history of the Harbour Bridge, rail has never before been profiled. This is because of high risk in contaminating the beloved harbour below. Also, other profiling methods like grinding could set fire to wooden sleepers or flammable parts of the bridge and its surrounding environment.
Other solutions that we have for rail profiling on any bridge, in particular the Sydney Harbour Bridge, would just be re-railing the actual track. Very expensive exercise. A lot of planning goes into that construction.
The Sydney Harbour Bridge is a transom bridge. The walkways are timber, there's a lot of timber up there. We really don't want to have anything that can risk basically catching on fire. Grinding, obviously, they do have mats, they do have suction systems, but yeah, they can't contain everything, so they can't go over waterways because they run the risk of dropping byproduct. They can't go past car parks, that is, you risk damaging the cars with those sparks. And also they can have problems with bridges if it's just gel coating can actually be eaten away by the sparks, so it then promotes rust, and we don't want rust in bridges. And then obviously this is the big one, being a bit of an icon in Australia, the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Rail milling is not only a gentle rail treatment process, but achieves complete damage removal and restores an ideal rail profile at the same time. Traditional rail grinding is mostly incapable of achieving the same level of safety, efficiency and quality.